내년 10월 배경으로 큰 것을 삼아서 멋진 화면을 펼친다고 합니다.
Has been the design of the Google homepage. So you can imagine that iGoogle, our personalized homepage, is a project that is really near and dear to my heart because it puts the design of our homepage in the hands of our users. Kwon Ki-soo is an artist from Korea. One of his favorite characters is Donguri, which is a small character you see here, going through a day of events in the life of Donguri. Snowcat. Snowcat is an illustrator who's had several internationally published books, now lives here in New York, took the Snowcat character and showed again a day of activities.